Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, Unyistitches, we upload videos on sewing tutorials, pattern drafting, sewing tricks, sewing tips, and DIYs. So we have been working on sleeve series for some time now. If you have not watched others of our videos on how to cut, sew, and how to draft different kinds of sleeve, you can go and search on this channel. You'll see those videos. They are interesting one. You will really learn a lot. So in today's sleeve series, we want to learn how to cut and sew a full circle sleeve, or you can call it a butterfly sleeve. So what you need is your fabric, your scissors, your ruler, and your measuring tape. The measurement needed is your sleeve length and the round armhole measurement. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the tutorial. The first thing you will do is to fold your fabric into 4. This is my fabric. I fold it first. This is folding into 2. Then I will fold it again, making it 4. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have turned, this is the side that I will start my marking. So now the first thing I will do is for me to measure my sleeve length. For the purpose of this project, the sleeve length that I'm working with will be 11 inches. So I will mark 11 inches round. The sleeve length depends on what you want. So you can actually make use of more than 11 inches depending on who you are sewing it for. Or you can make use of less than 11 inches. It's your own preference. I'll then connect these points together. Then I will cut my fabric. You can now, before cutting your fabric, you can add your folding allowance. Then I will open it up. After opening it up, I will follow the crease line that I have. I will draw the center of the sleeve. So this is just about dividing this full circle into 4. So the lines, the crease line that formed when you fold it to cut out, just mark it. So what I will do now is for me to determine the radius. So to determine the radius, you're going to divide the circumference of the armhole, that is the round armhole measurement, by 6.28, which is the formula for finding the radius of a full circle. Let me recap what I said. You are going to divide your round armhole measurement by 6.28, which is the formula for finding the radius of a full circle. So the one I'm working with, the round armhole I'm working with, is 16 inches. So when I divide my 16 inches by 6.28, it gives me 2.54. So starting from this center, I will mark my 2.54. So this is my point, my 2.54. So from this point, 2.54, I will mark the same 2.54 downward. Then I will mark it all around this point, the 2.54. So I will mark another 2.54. I'll mark it round, starting from this face 2.54. Believe you understand it. So I'm going to connect this point to form a circle. Can you see? It has formed a circle. So I'm going to cut it out now. Okay, so that is basically everything on how to cut your butterfly sleeve, or you can call it your full circle sleeve. So I've given my fabric a good praise. Support us by giving us a thumbs up. See you on our next tutorial. Bye bye. So the next thing is to go and attach it to the dress that we want to attach it to. The smallest part here is the part that is your underarm, while this is the outer arm. So this is the final outcome of our circle sleeve, or full circle sleeve, or butterfly sleeve. Can you see how neat? Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share our videos. and subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notification bell so when once I upload new sewing tutorials, you'll be notified. And if you did not watch others of our sleeve series, go and watch it. You will enjoy it. Please support us by giving us a thumbs up. See you on our next tutorial. Bye bye.